Good day everybody. Today we're going to learn about IELTS writing task 1 types. We have divided them into two separate groups, standard IELTS writing task 1 and the mixed type. Talking about standard IELTS writing task 1, we'll be learning about tables, pie charts, line graphs, graphs containing lines, bar graphs, graphs consisting of bars, columns, maps and diagrams. Talking about maps, we can have three different tenses in which, first let's talk about present one. In present type of maps, we are required to describe the area itself in the current time. For example, the map of the city, Baku or London, or the map of the area. Sometimes we are expected to make some comparisons about past map, like this is not very common. About past form, we can make comparisons between Baku in 2010 and Baku in 2015, like the changes during the 5-year period. So this is the one that's very common in IELTS. Sometimes we can make comparisons between current situation and the future expectations of the area, dependingly, but again I say describing two dates in the past and making comparisons of two maps in the past is very common for IELTS compared to present and future forms. Because in future and present, mostly in present, you are just expected to describe the area in which you can't make any comparisons. But in past form, you are just able to make some comparisons between two different dates given in the past. Sometimes you also have like maps comparing past and present, like 2017 and 2010, dependingly. Talking about diagrams, we have several forms. Diagram, we also call it the process writing, in which we are required to describe the process, which can be about the life cycle of animal or insects like butterfly, or how something is made or produced. For example, how tomato is planted, how ketchup is produced, or how cement, concrete and other things are produced. We have different stages. Sometimes diagrams contain just one stage. For example, how, let's say, potato is grown. Sometimes two stages, how potato is grown and crisps are produced. And each stage contains several steps. We will be talking about them in details in the upcoming videos. So if you have just one of them in the examination, this is called standard IELTS writing task 1. But in some cases we can see two of different or three or two of the same type of the graph, like table, pie chart, line graph. Then we call it the mixed type. If you have more than one graph, doesn't matter, it's pie chart, line graph, or I don't know, table or whatever, then you have the mixed type. For example, here we have one pie chart and one table. This is mixed. We have two of the same type, two bar graphs. Sometimes we have three of the same graph. Like here we have pie charts, 3 pie charts. So this is also mixed type. Sometimes we have pie chart and table. What I mean, like, doesn't matter, it is one of the same, I mean, at least two of the same or different types of graphs. That is called mixed type. Why I want to emphasize this, because we have different introductions for standard IELTS writing task 1 and mixed type. In the upcoming videos, we'll talk about the introduction for standard and the mixed type of IELTS writing task 1. Thank you for now.
Video lessons are supported by Jannford Baku English Language Center. In order to get more information, you can visit the link below. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Sharing is caring. Thank you for watching.